came to tell market ladies not to increase prices. Their capital is dwindling. So if you are in their shoes, what would you do? Please, we are tired of rhetoric. We are very tired. I mean, what kind of life is this? We voted for them to mind the economy. We didn't vote for them and him to come and be telling us, fellow Ghanaians. Fellow Ghanaians, where is the solution?
Abusian for me, Mama Kwaba, Adiba, Xposed, Munya Berma, Limo, Alikem Kwame, Amega. I am in Sembia, me pese, me catch up. On said they be as usual. On radio shows, be and our TV shows, be so no dear. And yet, they are ye be free callers. Caller 1 or 2 be sure on my dears. Mostly no, our Ghana and our Maya a woman. They be about say a MPP in a fre, a NDC in a fre. But you see, I heard this sound, and this is a voice of a woman. We a oba come market. This is a voice of a woman who goes to the market. This is a voice of a woman who knows what is going on in the grounds of this country. And look at the voice, at this and the tone that this woman used to talk while she calls. Normally, you may be free. I was call shows this one. Either 1 minute. Wakasa 1 minute. But Usha Mami Yamana Kasa almost 2 minutes on dog cow law because whatever the woman was saying means everything. It was your for and chinko bebia. Listen to what this woman said on the radio. Look at how she poured the frustration that the market woman, the ordinary married woman, is feeling at home, is feeling in this country. For Fatty,
good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, Fatty, good morning. Let me hear from you. How tough are things for you? And how hopeful are you? How assured are you that things will be better?
We are really getting it hard, especially ladies who always go to the market. David, it is not easy, I tell you. Now, if you don't have enough money, even 3 square meals, you can't take it. What I have been saying long time and again is that this president and his team, they are just sleeping on the job. They are sleeping on the job. Why? This same finance minister came to tell us no IMF. Just less than a month, we are going to IMF. And he's still there as finance minister. Secondly, somebody just woke up one day and said, no road toll. He canceled road toll. Parliament says it is illegal. Nobody has fired him. He is still on the job. Look at what the Greek minister, when we go to the market and we are giving figures that this is what we are seeing. Peasant farmers said things will be hard. We don't have fertilizers. We are suffering. These same ministers will come and say that is not it. A bunch of plantain is 5 cities. What we ladies are saying is getting to 100 cities. And soon Nanado and team, they are still there. They are sleeping on the job. We voted for him. We are tired. Please. We are very, very tired. Ladies, we are suffering. Now we can't plan. How can one live in an economy where you cannot plan? And you just came to tell market ladies not to increase prices. Their capital is dwindling. So if you are in their shoes, what would you do? Please, we are tired of rhetoric. We are very tired. I mean, what kind of life is this? We voted for them to mind the economy. We didn't vote for them and him to come and be telling us, fellow Ghanaians. Fellow Ghanaians, where is the solution? Where is the solution? Please, my main issue is that it's like we don't have even future. The future of this country is very bleak. So anybody who has visa, if you have visa, please, my fellow Ghanaians, start making the necessary move. Make sure you leave because it is too bad. Secondly, the nurses and the free education. We are on the ground. We are saying it is not sustainable. So this same man is keeping on the same premises that is not sustainable.
Fatty, thank you very much.
Now Galamsey is eating all of us. A time will come, you don't even have water. Doctors are complaining. Everybody is complaining. Nothing is happening. The minister came to say they are prospecting in water region. Please don't buy a father. If the Ashanti chiefs have sold their land for Galamsey,
and the air brofo. Aye, you move a brain not here. But you see, this is a woman that says, I goes to the market. I goes to the market. You people have no idea the way things are increasing and the way things are going so bad in the marketplace and now in the business fraternity. People are suffering. So let me tell you something. When you give your woman, your girlfriend, your wife to go to the market, so money 200 cedis and dry, and they will call back your say, no man or 21 to me and talk. Our women going to the market have started feeling the heat. See, many problem. Or say you will mind way more, and the finance minister back today and say, Ghana free. We are not going to the IMF. We have the people and we will do and make sure that economic stability of this country is stabilized. Today, here we are going to the IMF. And we are not going to the IMF because we are seeing the future going down. We are now seeing that I feel the crown ya say adiano ya twenya manyoma pro ya twenya manyoma say and nyoma jiegu and a nipa na obebo ye busuan so mu se kai adie ya me come ankofoi and nyoma jiegu ansa na omoba. There is no way these people might even be able to pay our debt. They are in so much debt that they can't rise back. It ye koji IMF no kra jebre and no funcha. Women that are going to the market are complaining. Ye nyoma ye pese ye kokoto aduane wodwoma ye tutum too much. Inso ye ba a great minister kachire say they are doing producing food and jobs. Where are the foods? Aduane those who kromo a ena ye tumi ye de tete aduane so. And then they wo krom. Our market women, yasa Bettina say what market women na nepe and I say that this ika to so their capital is going down the lane. And no man no mudio musika mudre train no esa adia no the 10 million e fire. The next time no be call you say 20 million. It mame no ni pan won twema no man in sound. No the bona to so that because of kwa and no money bo be day. The market women are suffering. Omo ye ton tadie, ye ton pobwa, ye ton aduane wo monche o market no. They are complaining. People are suffering. We should say it. And then we live in a country from this woman's own voice. Tiro kan ye tio man mo ye bre eni mrem any parliament and send obia minister bia be take initiatives no. I was say parliament approve say yenjai tobut ye na nso yankasa minister bi oye road sole ye bu parliament ni mutia e bu parliament fo ni mutia anka ye kro bia na o man bia ye very serious ye very ye the policies ye adwuma anka sa MP o ye say it is either you better take initiative to make him resign. Give us the tangible reason why you're closing and now you're putting down road tolls. And then you're closing down road tolls because they were bringing something we call e-levy. And then they pass in the e-levy. Road tolls you can't skip, you can't run away from it because you say one you didn't see your coin. Now can you enemy now say you didn't possess and your road tolls you cry and then say can you say road tolls you tria. Nanke ye kwine pay because any of the man ye patchy kwine. Now so na me say sakwa ban footwom and footwom e ma ye the bomb of mining no ma ye de ye. And they look at the cry of this woman. Ye nyanko for di adwin dia grow mining. This is coming from an old woman. Ni din di fatio. Fese no frey professionally our kasa one obia one kasa obia. She said what she has to say. Look at what we are going through. Oh my Benny a team Ghana for bread. You see, oh your bema now won't trimpana who name the other cost so that because if we say every weekend woman be ye aduane bi ma wo fie na wo didi na wo call restaurant nkwa na wo ko didi et say. This is what we are facing. You can't tell them benefona. They think we are joking because do you know why? They are enjoying in free cars. They are enjoying in free fuel coupons. They are enjoying free light and free water bills. So they don't care. Their kids don't live here. Their family members are earning great because as much as the dollar is going high, they changes the cedis into dollars and they haul it into their rooms. So whether they are here trying to play smart that dollar and they cost, so they, the politicians in power, they are even glad that the dollar is going up because they will haul it in dollars into their rooms, not in cedis. And at the end of the day, they will share it with their family members. This is what we are going through. I tell you, this is a word of a woman who just called on a radio show just to talk. Look at how professional this woman has talked just by 2 minutes. It's something simple. She started from the finance, she started to the food agri, and she came to the road. Ever economically, about food, ya tonsio, yes, biane, ye bre, sika eni kofoko to kum. Ekwaya ya faso enye transfer first na ekosuru isu ye tutu road tolls mu eni ye gusu to transfer first mu and a drive for so no so take advantage na ye kun ye kum kofo. What country are we in? Medially moali kem kwame ameka and somebody ye base ya ye beka. This is our blood and this is our passion and we will do it as much as it is. Many bad just share video I'm being saka. Let the people out there know that the youth and the people of this country are not happy with their current situation. We look frustrated. I am talking out of frustration. We are looking tired. This woman who called on this phone is very frustrated. She is depressed. We will kill ourselves one by one. Oh, hey, Ebusiafo, unya bema limo elikem kwame yamega. Aha. And I'm a do ebesi na me catch it say mami amamensem me raho and I felt say I have to back this woman up. Ladies and now women in this country, speak up. Your voice are powerful. Women, you are powerful. Just the words of this man made these two men sitting on the radio show kept quiet. They were like, wow, this woman has really spoken. And today, thumbs up to Fati wherever you are. We wish to see your face someday, that we will know that a true woman like you have called on phone and talked out of what we feel in the country. Ebusian for Mr. Shiamami, aha, Xposed GH. That's Sunday, Yebesishia, Macron.
Onyado for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na edan e na wasiewie e na wo penchen papa e de apostle anadan a wutimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofoni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa se wo mo adwuma so aninti no adansifo aje wo mo atum natural things ana wo mo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu de biara eda.